Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. The 2026 Chevrolet Camper van is finally here, and it's already making waves in the van life and adventure travel community. Designed with both utility and comfort in mind, this latest offering from Chevy blends the rugged performance of a workhorse with the creature comforts of a modern home. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a weekend wanderer, the 2026 model brings a lot to the table. Let's start with the exterior and overall design. The first thing you'll notice is its bold and clean silhouette. Chevrolet has opted for a more streamlined profile this time, giving it a sleeker, more aerodynamic shape compared to older models. This not only enhances fuel efficiency but also improves driving stability, especially at highway speeds. The front fascia features Chevy's updated grille design, LED matrix headlights, and a refreshed logo that gives the Camper a more modern, premium feel. It sits on durable 17-inch or optional 18-inch all-terrain tires, with a lifted suspension option available for those planning serious off-road trips. Optional solar panels line the roof, seamlessly integrated to maintain the clean look while adding off-grid capability. Moving inside, you're greeted with a surprisingly spacious and well-thought-out interior. Chevrolet has clearly taken customer feedback seriously, offering several layout options to suit different needs, from a minimalist setup for solo travelers to a more luxurious configuration for couples or small families. Standard across all models is the modular interior. The kitchen, sleeping area, and seating arrangements are all adaptable. You can convert the queen-sized bed into a lounging sofa or rearrange the kitchen components depending on how you use the space. This adaptability is perfect for people who live on the road or take long trips where space management becomes essential. The cabin features high-end materials, including sustainable bamboo countertops, stain-resistant recycled fabric upholstery, and soft-touch vinyl for easier cleaning. There's under-seat storage, overhead bins, and hidden compartments that make use of every inch of space without cluttering the interior. Ambient LED lighting adds a cozy atmosphere, and large double-pane windows offer excellent insulation while still giving you that panoramic view of your surroundings. For those colder adventures, the optional heated floor system and wall-mounted diesel heater provide comfort even in sub-zero conditions. Now let's talk about the heart of the vehicle, the powertrain. The 2026 Chevy Camper van comes with two options: a 3.6-liter V6 gasoline engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and a new all-electric version powered by Chevrolet's Ultium battery platform. The gas model delivers around 310 horsepower and 270 pound-feet of torque, which is more than enough to handle mountainous terrain, steep climbs, or towing gear like bikes, kayaks, or even a small trailer. Fuel economy has improved slightly from previous generations, averaging around 17 mpg city and 22 mpg highway, thanks in part to engine tuning and the more aerodynamic body. The electric version is the one turning the most heads. With an estimated range of 280 to 310 miles on a full charge, it's built for extended road trips. Charging is quick and accessible through the DC fast charging capability, giving you about 100 miles of range in just 20 minutes. The electric powertrain is whisper quiet and offers instant torque, making it not just efficient but fun to drive, especially when navigating twisty backroads or tight urban streets. With regenerative braking, you also get extended battery life on downhill sections, which is perfect for hilly terrain. When it comes to driving comfort and safety, the van performs impressively well. Chevrolet's latest safety suite is fully integrated, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, a 360-degree camera system, and automatic emergency braking. What's new this year is the ProPilot 3.0 semi-autonomous driving feature, which allows for hands-free cruising on select highways, a big plus for long-haul travelers. Tech-wise, the 2026 Chevy Camper van is more connected than ever. The dashboard is dominated by a 13.4-inch touchscreen that runs the latest version of Chevrolet's infotainment system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, integrated navigation with real-time traffic, and voice control. There's also a secondary screen dedicated to managing camper-specific functions like climate control, lighting, water tank levels, battery usage, and solar input. Over-the-air software updates ensure your vehicle is always up to date without needing to visit the dealership. Connectivity is further enhanced by a built-in 5G hotspot, ideal for digital nomads or remote workers who need reliable internet access on the road. Multiple USB-C ports, a 120 volts inverter, and optional Starlink satellite internet compatibility round out the tech suite, making sure you're never truly off the grid unless you want to be. Let's not forget the essentials that make it a true camper. The kitchenette features a dual-burner induction stove, a 65-liter fridge-freezer combo, a collapsible sink with a filtered water system, and ample pantry storage. The wet bath includes a composting toilet and a retractable shower head, complete with a gray water recycling option, a feature rarely seen in this segment. Hot water is provided through a tankless heater, saving both space and energy. For off-grid living, the camper includes a 300 Ah lithium battery system standard, expandable up to 600 Ah. It pairs with a 200W or optional 400W rooftop solar array and an intelligent power management system to keep everything running smoothly, from the fridge and lights to charging your devices. And yes, there's even an optional roof-mounted air conditioner that can run off the batteries for short periods, ideal for summer trips. One of the van's standout selling points is its customization program. Chevrolet now offers factory-installed personalization packages, allowing buyers to choose interior themes, off-road enhancements, entertainment upgrades, and even pet-friendly features like built-in feeding stations and dog beds. This eliminates the need to go to third-party upfitters for modifications, reducing cost and warranty concerns. Speaking of cost, the 2026 Chevrolet Camper van starts at around $89,000 for the gasoline version and approximately $105,000 for the electric model. While that may sound steep, you have to consider what you're getting: a turnkey mobile home, an efficient off-grid power system, advanced safety and tech features, and Chevrolet's extensive service network behind it. For those serious about van life or remote work on the move, this price point is competitive when compared to high-end Sprinter builds or third-party conversions. In summary, the 2026 Chevrolet Camper van is a thoughtfully designed, highly capable, and impressively comfortable vehicle that hits the sweet spot between rugged adventure and modern convenience. Whether you're planning a cross-country trip or a quiet escape to the woods, this camper has the power, features, and flexibility to take you there, and let you stay as long as you want.